Welcome back. It's now time for the Midday Sports Report. Jamaican batter John Campbell scored his maiden Test century as the West Indies forced hosts India to bat again as the hosts are 63 for 1 at stumps on day 4 of the second final Test in New Delhi. Starting the day on 173 for 2, the West Indies ended their innings scoring their highest total in 2025, getting to 390. Jamaican John Campbell, who resumed on 87, recorded his maiden Test century with 115. His time at the crease included 12 fours and 3 sixes. The Caribbean men's second innings was made easier with 177-run third wicket partnership with Shea Hope, who also made a ton. He had 103. Justin Greaves got in on the action, getting to a half-century. Kuldeep Yadav and Japrit Bumrah were the chief wicket takers for India, getting 3 wickets each. Call Rahal 25 and Shea Sundharson 30 will start the final day. West Indies lost their first Test by an innings and 140 runs. Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren wants his strikers and wingers to be more clinical in front of goal when Jamaica face Bermuda in their return leg World Cup qualifier tomorrow at the National Stadium starting at 7:00 p.m. After losing 2-0 away from Curacao, McLaren says that despite creating plenty of chances, the team has struggled to convert. McLaren says he's pleased with the team's overall performances and dominance in possession, but wants to see more goals from open play to complement their strength from set pieces. The boys are currently second in group on 6 points from 3 matches, one behind leaders Curacao. Only the group winner is guaranteed a place in next year's World Cup, which will be jointly staged by the USA, Mexico and Canada. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report and the Midday News Package. Join us again at 7 for the Primetime News. I'm Sandy Williams. On behalf of the entire team, good afternoon.